megalayapost.news.
Hadin balapan pamsmai daulat gejala hanin kesi yaki prangut kementerian sarkar bertembang gejala menteri rembak gejala korat kes sama tak kesi ulapan pak kamno ikti prangut ban kli yaki not sarkar berper kum kita kementerian sarkar bertemai ki prangut kementerian sarkar bertemai bat balapan pak kam do menteri rembak gejala ki kentuk yo bak men bak lendo bapet ya katanat boarding water resources taxation bat textile ultimati di syarah bapet ya katanat tourism bat giwe ubak sesestun ya katanat community and rural development secretariat administration department bat ka general administration department ubak lakmen remboy ya katanat education bat giwe branding sang ma ya katanat border area development bat giwe ubak sanbor sulai ya katanat animal husbandry and veterinary department bat giwe ubak wailat miki shila ya katanat health and family welfare sport and youth affairs bat giwe ubak methodist khar ban pek ya katanat food and civil supplies and consumers affairs bat giwe nakaliang menteri rembak kejelapat unsakmi dalade cabinet affairs finance bat giwe katanat kiba syam labak kam sya giwe ki menteri sarkar
megalayapost.news.